Smell that? Possibilities. So this is my mom's La Creuset in Caribbean, 7.5 quarts. And this guy is 6.3 kilograms. That's 14 pounds. So it's also for weightlifting. And this is the best chili pot that has ever happened in Texas. The lid actually goes on super tight. Because this guy is cast iron, enameled, it can go in the oven, in the dishwasher, and while it's still hot, it can go in the fridge. What? And according to my mom, this is the only one that she's ever had to own because you just need one. And it's a little bit wear and tear, but honestly, this thing has been through so many holidays, so many meals. When we make chili, this is the only thing it gets made in. The great thing is you brown the meat, make the chili all in one pot. You don't have to have a whole bunch of dishes. And this guy, just gently wash it in the sink or dump it in the dishwasher. I would love to say I'd buy another one, but you really don't need to buy more than one. Unless you just can't help yourself.